Hey, welcome back. So, working on the car again. Got the carburetors off and ran into a bit of a problem with one of the carburetors. Check out this little clip I'm about to show you. Hey, check this out. So, I'm working on taking the carburetors out, and the bowl on this side is just loose. Look at that. Just falling right off there. Like, oh, something just fell. But yeah, that looks broken. Yeah, there's like sharded metal up inside that. So as you see, that bowl is really loose. And here's the bowl right there. And if you look inside here, it's kind of hard to hold it. And sorry for the shaky cam, but that is completely sheared off, and what it is, it actually looks like somebody must have stripped the bowl, and they put a like a rethread or whatever. This little thing right here, it's basically just a spring that goes on there, and you retap this to accept it. So someone did that, and unfortunately it made the metal so thin that it just broke on the inside just from vibration. So that's been jiggling loose for God knows how long. But we got the carbs off. We're going to be able to work on them. And check this out. So man, that's actually pretty clean right there. A little bit of movement. Very, very little play. So, I mean, that's pretty solid right there. So, and this one I'm assuming is in similar shape. Yeah. Yeah, so looking forward to filling with that. Oh, got a little oil dripping out of the damper. I'll have to get these a little bit better here. So it comes down pretty decently. Trying to show. There you go. A little slow on that, but anyway, we're going to work on that stuff next. So until next time, this is a little short video, but there you go. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please click that subscribe button. If you want to get notifications, click the little bell at the bottom of the page, or the bottom of the video, sorry. But until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.